So for this activity, I have taken one cardboard and have colored it with the blue color, and you can make any shape and you can color it and then give your child, after cutting it into pieces, to solve the puzzle and give you back the exact shape that you have given him earlier. So another interesting thing that I do with my kids in the session is I just make some dots like this, and I make any pattern or shape over here, and then I tell the child to copy it over here. So by that ways I help them improve in the visual perception skills. Tell the child to copy it over here, and I just guide the child the directions. It should go down, to the right, by the visual and verbal cues, and then I let the child complete the same exact pattern that I have made to here. So for the next activity that we are going to do, we need pastel colors, a sheet of paper, scissors, and we have to cut the paper into any shape and we have to color it, and after that we will be getting 5 or 6 shapes, and you have to give exactly the same number and same colors of the sheet to the child. And then what we have to do, we can make a pattern and child has to copy that exact pattern over there, and then we can change the pattern of the colors, and then child will again change it, and child has to see it and change it accordingly. For the next activity, we can take glasses and the child will replicate what we make here, and we can use our imaginations of making it the way we want, and the child will copy over there. So for the next activity, we just need kidney beans, a sheet of paper, and a marker. So we can draw any shape like the way I have drawn a wave, and then we just have to ask the child to hold the kidney bean and put it on the shape that you have made. So this activity is also very important for improving the fine motor skills, the pincer grasp, the eye-hand coordination, and the visual perception. So we can do like this. Thank you.